This is just a quick video today about harvesting my sweet peas so that I will have a really good supply. I will be able to at least double if not quadruple my sweet peas next year. So let's quickly get into it. Right, picking sweet peas and storing them for next year's growth is easy. I'm not going to try and make something out of it that isn't there. It's just really easy. All you have to try and do is get them dry because they will store better and they won't rot the other seeds if they're dry. So you want them dry and kind of hard like this. I'm not sure if you can dry them out from the green. You probably can. I've never tried. I like to leave them on the stem to dry. And each year you just get more and more seeds because you can get a bigger and bigger crop from them. Store them in something that can breathe. Breathe. You don't want something that's going to make them sweat and rot. This glass is not going to be their final resting place. It's only because it's easier to collect them in here. And then I will put them in paper, in a paper envelope or bag. As you can see, they're quite black. And I'll show you another one in a minute that's still quite green. And that's another black one. Sometimes you get a full pod, sometimes you might only get one or two. The other thing to remember is you need to keep picking them in the summer for cut flowers, obviously, because they make beautiful scented cut flowers. See, they're a bit mouldy, so I'm not putting them in. They've got a fur on them. They haven't developed well. I'm not risking it. These are green. I'm going to put these in, but I may well separate them when I come to store them in the final papers because the green ones are more likely to rot and then they will rot the rest of them. So I probably will separate those out. I might, as an experiment, just see if I can dry them on their own and see how they produce next year to see if that works. I've got lots of pods still on the plants, which I'm going to leave another week and then I'll collect another more. So harvesting isn't just one day. You may have to do it over a period of weeks. And the other thing is you have to decide which plants you're not going to pick from anymore or just stop picking altogether. Because obviously you need the seed pods to develop. So early on in the summer, pick, and then the seed pods won't develop, but at some point you need seed pods to collect. So you need to, establish which plants you're not going to pick from anymore. Anyway, that's it. That's it. Here they are. Look, here's a lovely bunch picked for you. This is why I grow them. I grow them for the height so that you can grow them up the poles. And they can stand up in your cottage garden above all the other border plants and what have you, and you've got sort of extra layers of colour and butterflies dancing about, and of course the scent is incredible. And they're really, really easy, low maintenance plants. So go ahead and get ready, collect your sweet peas, and then you'll have tons of free plants for next year. Okay, hope you enjoyed that video. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Click subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.